Firstly, to create these videos, I am able to use my phone or laptop with Screencast-O-Matic to record a time-lapse or just a video and put a voiceover over the top. This is beneficial to me because it means that I am able to use a wide range of media to present my coursework. In my research and planning section, I mainly used Google to find out information that I needed to know. For example, the BBFC classifications. This is good because it's quick and easy to use. Also, I use multiple images in my research and planning section that were used in other horror films to form new ideas and give examples. For example, in my research project, I used screenshots of clips from a trailer on YouTube. This really helped me to understand the different sections, shots, camera angles and so on, that they are actually used in clips and how detailed they actually are. For the construction of my ancillary text, I heavily relied on the use of Photoshop to put them together. I was able to use the spot healing tool and clone tool to manipulate faces in the images that I had, which was helpful as it made the images look a better quality. Also, I used the website DeFont to search for and find fonts that would fit to my magazine and poster, as well as using Photoshop set fonts. This website was useful as it gave more variety to my ancillary texts. As well as this, I used Prezi as a way of presenting sections of my coursework. I find Prezi to be helpful because it gives me more ways of displaying my coursework rather than putting everything on a Word or PowerPoint document and making it all look the same. To put my trailer together, I used Premiere Pro to cut my clips and do the basics, making sure that the sound was right and so on. I then used After Effects to add text, effects such as the pentagram glowing, and this was really useful because it was quite straightforward after learning the basics and understanding how to use the software. In terms of hardware, I used my Canon camera to film the majority of my section, alongside other cameras that belonged to someone else in class. These cameras were really good to use because they both had quite a good quality image, although we did find it a struggle trying to convert 4K videos for them to work smoothly with Premiere Pro. Using the computers at college and my own laptop for completing coursework and creating the trailer was good as I don't have the software on my laptop that the college computers had. Both my laptop and computers benefited me because of the fact that they are touchscreen. This meant that when I was creating my ancillary text, I was able to be a lot more precise and I found it a lot easier to use. The touchscreen on my laptop is useful when it comes to presenting my coursework in videos like this, as I can select how to cut the clip and add the voiceover really quickly. Finally, my phone was used a lot throughout the process of completing my coursework, as I used it to take photos of possible locations and costume.